This tutorial is for installing the lens guard on your 1X2. First, make sure the camera lens is wiped clean. Remove the adhesive film on the lens guards. Align the notch on the lens guards with the microphone hole. Be careful not to stick the lens guards on the rim of X2's lens. Press the edges evenly to ensure a perfect fit with the lens. Now, here's how to remove the lens guards. Take out the official triangle prying tool. Align the tip to the edge of the lens guards and insert it. Slide it around the edges and finally pry up gently. Before reinstalling the lens guards, you need to change the double-sided tape. Remove the tape from the lens guards first. Then align and attach the new double-sided tape. Lastly, remove the adhesive film on the tape.